Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am April Imani Smith, the owner of She Is Creations, which is a full service t-shirt printing company. I know you have read by the title that you probably think this is clickbait, but it is not clickbait. I am going to tell you on how you can start a t-shirt company with $0. And I am so serious, $0. Now, let me put a disclaimer in. We are a full service print company. So I am telling you guys this because I like to help. I like to give back. And I want to see everybody win. I get a lot of questions. Hey, how do you start a t-shirt company? I always respond with a question, which is, do you have your own stuff you want to print, or do you want to print for other people? We are a full service print company. So I'm probably sending you to my competitor, but it's okay because you know what, my customers are my customers love me, and I really want to help you. So if you have a design, and these are for people that have a design, or or you can get a graphic designer for you, and it's something that you want to create. So if you want to put your logo on shirts, or you already have a design in mind, then this method is for you. So I have my notes right here so I can tell you, but one of the companies that you can set up an account with is Teespring, and I'll put it down below. And know this video is not sponsored by Teespring, but Teespring is one of the companies where you can upload a design that you already have, or you can design right from their program and start selling your shirts. So just say if I want to start selling shirts that say dream it, live it. So I go on Teespring, I can either create it myself, go on there and start selling shirts, and you open your online store and you direct your customers to your site. Now I say $0 is because you don't have to have any money to go set that account up. You just go log on and create the account, go live with your store, and start directing traffic to your site. Now, that is to generate you some revenue. If you don't have a lot of money to buy, like the equipment and stuff that I have, you can generate revenue. And then, if you want to be a legit business and you want to be credible, then, definitely check with your state, county, and city to get your licenses that you need. Get an EIN number, which is like your social security number for your business. And that's free. You don't need money to do that. But to file, to be incorporated, like we're LLC, that was about $125. My business license for the county, I think it was probably about $40. It was probably about $40. And so those are some of the fees that I did incur in the beginning of my business because I want to be a legit, and we are a legit company. So those are things that you can do. And also you want to, come up with your name and come up with a logo. You wanted something catchy, something where people know that you are going to sell your products. Now, my logo is She Is Creations. And I'm going to be honest, the way I started my company, I had no clue that I wanted to sell t-shirts. I had no clue about branding and logos and colors and things like that. So that might be something you want to research. Even though hindsight 2020, I'm almost 2 years well into my business, I love my logo. I'm not going to change it because She Is Creations. It's me. It's all things April. Like I said, everything that I create, I do it in-house, and I love making people's vision come to life. So She is, which is my last name, Imani Smith Creations. So I love my logo. I love my name. Even hindsight 2020, I would not change it. But these are things that I wish I would have knew prior to me starting my t-shirt business. Things that I wish I knew prior to me starting my t-shirt business is, what do you mean coming up with a logo and the colors and branding, and what do certain colors mean, and just, all the things that nobody told me. Because I started my t-shirt company with a gift, literally. Somebody gifted me my first heat press, and my first Cricut machine was gifted by my husband for my graduation. So I do now have 2 Cricuts because I love them. I think it's the best machine since sliced bread for, just any type of projects. I do have a digital heat transfer printer machine here, and then I have my industrial cutter over here, which I use to cut continuous rolls of vinyl. It's a brand Titan, and then I do have 4 heat presses, because when we are marrying the digital heat transfers and things like that in the 4 heat presses. So you may not have money to buy all the equipment, or you may want to start off by selling your shirts and then get the money to go buy all of this equipment. So that's a way that you can go ahead and get started. I know it's so many, and you don't even have to be in the t-shirt business. Your company can be just say you want to sell houses, or you're a realtor and you just want to brand yourself and you want people to represent your brand, because t-shirts are marketing. I'm gonna be honest, I wear t-shirts everywhere. Even if I'm going somewhere out, I will throw on a blazer in a minute and put my t-shirt on. I'm always rocking my t-shirts. This is one of my popular shirts that I got. It says veteran she served. I'm a veteran. I was in the Navy for 10 years. I love being a veteran. I'm happy. I'm proud to be a veteran. And so I'm always rocking. Definitely I'm rocking always this style of shirt. It is a glitter tee. This is printed in glitter. And like I said, you know, we're a full service print company. You know, we have all the supplies. And if you watched any of my vlogs, you may have seen me printing or opening supplies or picking up t-shirts and things like that. But if you use Teespring, or there's another site called Spreadshirt, which is the same exact thing, those companies allow you to not have inventory, to not have to worry about machines, to not have to worry about vinyl or heat transfer sheets or anything like that. So honestly, you will be remiss if you don't take advantage of this opportunity. Even if you don't want to start a t-shirt company and you just want to start selling gear that represents you, your label, your company, then I recommend doing this, because it's $0 and you don't need any product. You don't need any in-hand inventory. And again, now, if you don't want to use Teespring, feel free to use me. I would be happy to print any shirts, mugs, bags, shoes, whatever you want printed. Definitely check out She Is Creations. I will put it across the screen. But because so if you don't want to use Teespring and you want to use, I do drop ship, but I just had to throw it out there. There are other avenues for you to get gear created. And again, I'm not selfish with information. Everybody can eat. I want everybody to win. If somebody would have told me that I could start selling shirts with $0, I probably still wouldn't have done it, because again, my tagline is changing lives one creation at a time. So I love making other people's vision come to life. I love when I get text messages that say, oh my God, the shirts was a bomb. Oh my God, everybody gave us so many compliments. Oh my gosh, I love your work. Oh my gosh, I live states away, but I'm never going to go to any other t-shirt company. Or, you know, I had cancer and your shirts helped me on my journey. Or I'm getting married and I was so happy to be Mrs. Whoever. Or these were the best shirts ever. And I'm being serious, but the days that I want to give up or stop printing t-shirts, and I get those messages, or I get the videos, or I get the tags, or I get the reviews, I absolutely know that I'm walking in my purpose and I love my company. So I like people's vision come to life. So I do have a She Is affirmations line, which you've probably seen that if you follow me on social medias, which I'll put my social media here. And I'm sorry that I'm talking fast, but I told you guys I was going to give y'all videos on Wednesdays and Sundays, and I'm sticking to that because I want to bring you guys content. So if you do want to start your own printing company and you do want to get any machines that I have or maybe don't have, go into, because you could, there's screen printing, which is too messy for me. There's DTG, where you send the actual shirt through the thing. So there are several methods of printing, and when I decided to actually, you know, take my business to the next level, I researched everything and I decided to go with digital heat transfer printing, which is what I have this big machine behind me, which you can't really see, because it was just more efficient for me and I can print on more things. So you have to do your research. That's the number one thing. Do your research. But if you want to see any reviews on any machines or my thoughts on anything, please go ahead and leave that comment below. So don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and also hit that notification bell if you want to keep up with us with any videos that we have coming up in the future. Again, I am April from She Is Creations, bringing your vision to life. And I'm about helping, so I know people are probably gonna be like, why is she making a video about how somebody can make shirts when that's what she does? But it's okay, because again, like I said, I'm confident in my brand, my product, my quality, my customer service, and anything else that you can name. So I send you there because if you don't have any money and you want to try it out and see if your target market and the customers that you're reaching out to like your brand, then go for it. You know, I'm here to inspire and encourage anybody to live their best life. So go ahead and check out Teespring, check out Spreadshirt, and let me know. So also, if you do start a t-shirt company or you do start selling shirts, let me know how it goes. Send me an inbox, Facebook me, instant message me. Let me know how it goes. Let me know, did it work out for you? But again, you can start a t-shirt company with $0. Like I said, you know, you really want to get into business and not make it a hobby, then definitely go ahead and get that state, that federal, state, city, county, all your ducks in a row, because you do want to people to take you serious, that, you know, you are someone who is taking this business serious, and you know, you just want to make sure that you're covered for anything that could arise, any type of issues or whatever. So again, thank y'all for watching. I appreciate it. I appreciate all my new followers. I appreciate my current followers, and I'll talk to you guys later.